Hi guys, in today's video you'll watch me install this beautiful Indian curly hair that I've been wanting to get out. And so I finally got to it the first of the year. Happy New Year everyone. So if you're interested in how this turned out, stay tuned. I'll have the deets in the video. So here I gently apply the Ghost Bond XL, very like neat, and I take my time. So I decided to not put this in fast because I wanted you guys to see that it just depends on what you're looking for. Me myself, I don't plan on wearing it no more than maybe a week, and even the day after it's already lifting. Sometimes that night it's already lifting depending on what you were doing. I don't want this to be stuck on me or to my head. I just feel claustrophobic really fast, so I like to just do one thin layer of the Ghost Bond and I'm done. If I see the sides lifting, I might go back and reapply just to get those to tack their stuff down, but other than that, I'm not doing 2 layers, I'm not doing 3 layers. Maybe if I was going somewhere and I'll be dancing and I really wanted it to stay, I might consider that, but even then, I am not like interested in having the wig stuck to my head for no more than a week. And even so, it still lifts. In this clip, you'll see me actually put the wig on. I'll be turned to my small mirror on the side because I have to actually see what I'm doing. I normally do this in my bathroom. I never do this on a small mirror because I like to be able to see every angle. So if you don't actually see me tack it down, just watch closely. You'll see how I tack it down. I just have to be able to see, and I did not have the mirror position in front of me because of the camera. I had it positioned to the side of me, and it was a really small mirror, so kudos to me for even getting that wig on without having a one hair clip. The fact that I'm watching it back and doing a voiceover and notice that I did not have one hair clip, I had nothing keeping that 28 inches out of my way. I was literally doing that just by feel, touch, and a little bit of a mirror. So guys, stay tuned. Here on this side, I noticed that the sides were lifting, and so I just went back in and reapplied more of the Ghost Bond so that it will tack down. That's normally the issue when it comes to these wigs, is that the sides would be the first to lift. And so I'm just going back in to make sure that's secured. Okay, so it's gonna be like a little noise. Because I'm by the air conditioner. And so I tied my hair down with my handy dandy scarf. It's just thin, like this, for a good 5 minutes, just to let my hair bake into my skin a little bit. And as you can see, it did. I can't see nothing here because I normally do this type of stuff in my bathroom because I can see better. I can't really, yeah, so it melted. And the thing is, the dividing of the front to the back, I don't have long to finish this, so I got all my hair up. And because I don't want to put like spray in it or nothing, so I'm not gonna like do no major anything on it. The hairs are super long and need to be cut, so I'm not gonna use them right now. Like that, I need to fix them how I want them to go. I'm just trying to get the hair up as high as possible. I'm trying to get the hairs to be in a ponytail. Yes, I am using my mirror on the side of me. Trip hair in the back. I'm just trying to work on the hair in the front. Okay, I'm not gonna do hairs right now. I just want to get everything like in the same thing. Like I said, I don't have much time here because my camera is running out of time. So I'm just slap this bad boy in a ponytail really quick. This comb here has like lots of teeth on it, so I like it because it can grab more at a time. Okay, let's just make sure this is centered, and you will be my center camera. As tight as I want it to be. And I think I got that center. I've never been able to do that. I think because when I'm doing it, I'm looking so hard and I'm not really looking that good in this mirror. And I have so much anxiety. I've been into this shit like 100 times. So this is center as center is going to be. And then my handy dandy brush. Now, rocks, I can use that one. Okay, not too much. Okay. That to help maintain the hair too. At the same time, what I need to do. Make baby hairs, okay? This one. And I'm not the god of the baby hairs. I'm the god of this wig thing. So, I'm gonna make another baby hair here. Too fancy and dancy. Let me see when it comes to the front now. There might be another vlog. Okay, and so we're gonna leave her there. A little bit more spray. Here's my broken nail. Yeah, I don't need to call out my nails broke. You know they broke. I don't like the way that wig meet mine. I definitely took it to be wet. Okay, so I feel like if I spray this, get it a little bit on sides. And then take the ponytail off like that. And then my little brush. This brush has been through World War 100, okay? And then just like pick up all those flyaways that is flying away. What about octopus?
I don't eat that. I don't eat that.
You don't eat that. But you never had it. Maybe you like it.
No, I don't.
You don't like it?
Mm-mm.
Be careful because daddy might put it in your food. He does crazy stuff all the time.
I asked for the meat, and I asked him to put the meat on the sandwich and put jelly on the sandwich and just cut it out. Cut it out that half. So I had to be 2.
Okay.
So I'll have like
really quick. So we can tackle some of those flowers and get this lovely look. Okay. One that's like Beyonce, but imitation Kim K. Okay. Because, believe it or not, Beyonce was one that has a verse. And then Kim K came in. And then nobody have nothing. I think the back is a 28, and then it goes 26, 26. And then the front toe is a 20. And yes, this is gorgeous. I love it. It came out good. Other than I don't like this baby hair right here, because it look like it's just sitting on the side of my head. But you know. I'm broken nails on both fingers, the same finger. A middle finger. What is that? What is that, Dallas? And that's her name for real. What is that? This has nothing to do with Dallas, okay? This has everything to do with how hard I am on my nails. Okay, I have kids and I have to wash them. I mean, wash him. And wash dishes. Okay, guys, so I hope you like this video. So I don't have on no lipstick, so I look crazy. I like the look. Oh, look. So, guys, if you like this video, please thumbs up this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys, and I have lots of stories to tell you.